Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you my hair routine, the products that I use for my hair. This is my hair straightened, and this is my hair blown out, freshly blown out. So I always wear my hair in braids. That's my go-to. Braids helps keep my hair low maintenance. I don't have to detangle or brush. So I wash my hair with Cantu shampoo, and after I wash my hair with Cantu, I go straight after and rinse it with apple cider vinegar. And when you rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar, it might sting due to the acid, but I'm telling you, the benefits are worth it.